Hello student, welcome in Rishikul Vidyapith online classes. In this module, we prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet at the end of the year, and in working note we prepare the opening balance sheet. So, how we prepare? With the help of receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So, one by one I will take here. First I have the information with me. That is the first we prepare the opening balance sheet. The club and these information are given. The club have the outstanding rent at the beginning 1000, at the end that is 1500. And receipt and payment account, opening balance cash in hand and closing balance also given. Furniture amount also given. Investment amount also given. So, with the help of information, we prepare the first opening balance sheet here. That is cash in hand. Cash in hand. This is the first line of the receipt and payment account in debit side. And here, that is 4400 is given. 4400. Then, in receipt and payment account, credit side last line. I repeat, last line. That is closing balance, and it appears here, cash in hand. Cash in hands. That is 16,100. First we put the cash balances. It is opening, it is closing, and where I take these information with the help of receipt and payment account. It is found in debit side, it is found in credit side. So you can say first record the opening balance and closing balance. It is the opening balance sheet or previous year balance sheet. It is the closing balance sheet, or you can say current year balance sheet. Here date 31st March 2018. Here date 31st March 2019. So one by one I take outstanding rent. That is outstanding rent. Here outstanding rent that is 1000 given. Outstanding rent, it is closing 1500. It is opening, it is closing, and here it will be adjusted. So now come to the next point, that is outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Subscription due but not received. That is the income. That is given, that is 4500. 4500. Outstanding subscription. Subscription, I write in short. That is given 6000. Right? So it is opening and it is closing. And here these two items will be adjusted here in credit side of the income and expenditure account. So next one is, that is furniture. It is given in the question, furniture opening balance. Furniture, that is 8000. And next one is investment. Investment, that is given 15,000, and it is a total 31,500. 31,000, sorry, 900. 31,900. And we can calculate the opening balance of capital fund. That is capital fund. That is the answer. Capital fund. That is 30,900. It is the one answer I calculate. It is the opening balance sheet. This is asset side, and this is the, you can say, liability side. Furniture account, you can write investment account, outsourcing subscription account, capital fund, outstanding rent account. That is this. So it is opening balance sheet, and one thing I find out, that is opening capital. Opening capital, and you can say in NPO. And it is known as a capital fund. And this capital fund, you can say, travel this side to this side here. Capital fund, that is the capital fund, that is 30,900. If deficit is there, that will be deducted. If surplus is there, that will be added. ये यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करेंगे इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट से. So this is the opening balance sheet, this is the closing balance sheet, and this is income and expenditure account, and it is prepared like a, you can say, profit and loss account. In debit side all expenditure, in credit side all income. Which type of income? Only revenue income, the income related to the 12 month, and expenditure related to the 12 month. If we pay the more than 12 month, that is prepaid. If we pay less than 12 month, that is outstanding. Here also, if we receive the income more than 12 month, that is income received in advance. If we receive the income less than 12 month, that is a accrued income, or you can say outstanding income. You just think one thing, outstanding here also and here also. Outstanding rent and outstanding subscription, what is the difference? Both are outstanding. It is expense, it is income. Income due but not received. It is expense due but not paid. Right? ये expense के लिए है, ये income के लिए है. Outstanding rent, outstanding salary, this is the for expenses. And outstanding subscription, यानी कि income के लिए है. Accrued income भी कह सकते हो. Subscription due, outstanding subscription, accrued subscription, you can say. All are same. यानी कि the subscription due but not received. ऐसा जो members है जिन्होंने अभी subscription दिया नहीं है beginning में, तो this is the outstanding subscription. So now come to the income side one by one. Here we prepare the income side, and all receipt will be transferred here. Only current, or you can say current nature, or revenue nature, sorry, related to the current year, or revenue nature only. If their receipt is capital nature, they will be shown in the balance sheet. I will tell you time to time which item is revenue nature and which item is capital nature. First one, that is the subscription. Here, by subscription received during the year, that is given received 46,100, and this subscription adjusted here. Current year will be added and previous year will be deducted. Add outstanding subscription of CY, you can say, of CY, or you can say related to the current year, that is 6,000. It will be added here. Next one, less outstanding subscription related to the previous year, या at the beginning कह सकते हो आप, of PY को क्या कहते हैं beginning, CY को कहते हैं at the end. So this is 4,500, and this will be added and this will be deducted, and the net amount, that is 47,600, it will be credited in income and expenditure account. नाम है income and expenditure, but here we write expenditure, here write we income. That is the debit side and the credit side. Only credit year income, current year income will be credited here. और रिवेन्यू नेचर की आइटम आती है इसके अंदर, सारी इनकम आएंगे. आप क्लब की इनकम है, एनक्यू की इनकम है. नेक्स्ट इनकम, दैट इज वी हैव, दैट इज interest received. By interest received, interest on investment, you can say, and that is 2,500 we put here. Next one, that is given donation. Two type of donation, general and specific. Specific donation will be here, closing balance sheet, liability side, but general donation here by donation. By donation account. ये करंट ईयर का डोनेशन है, नॉर्मल डोनेशन है, दैट इज 6000 गिवन है हमारे पास, 6000 वी पुट हियर। नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज द एक्चुअली क्लब की कोई मैगजीन है, जर्नल है और वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट देते रहते हैं, उससे इनकम होती है हमारे को। सो यू कैन से रिसिप्ट फ्रॉम एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाय receipts from advertisement in yearbook किसी क्लब की कोई बुक निकलती है, मैगजीन निकलती है, उसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए पैसे लेते हैं। सो इट इज द इनकम एंड इट इज द करंट ईयर इनकम दैट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट 5200। नाउ कम टू द एक्सपेंसेस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सैलरी, टू सैलरी that is given 18,200. next one that is rent, to rent, ये पेमेंट से लेके आए हम, पेमेंट क्रॉस लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट। देखो रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट में यहाँ पे रिसिप्ट है और यहाँ पे पेमेंट है। पेमेंट कहां चली जाएगी, दिस साइड, और रिसिप्ट कहां चली जाएगी, दिस साइड हियर। क्रॉस टू को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, बाय में, और बाय को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, टू में। सिंपल। ओनली रिवेन्यू नेचर आइटम विल बी हियर, बट रेंट इज गिवन हियर, दैट इज 15,000 रेंट अकाउंट, सैलरी अकाउंट, दैट इज 15,000। एड दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट ऑफ CY, करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट दैट इज 1500, ऐड कर देंगे 1500, लेस आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट ऑफ PY एट द बिगिनिंग, इसको बिगिनिंग भी कह सकते हैं और PY भी कह सकते हैं, दैट इज 1000 हियर, 1000 दैट विल बी डिडक्टेड। इसको आप लेस कर दीजिएगा, अकाउंट्स में वैसे ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं, तो दैट इज 15,500। ओके, द रेंट अकाउंट इज एडजस्टेड हियर। नेक्स्ट दैट इज printing and stationery, it is revenue expenditure, printing and stationery, that is 7,300. okay, next one that is expense on charity show, to expense on charity show, that is 16,100. okay, these are the payment side and it will be recorded in the debit of the income and expenditure account, because these are the expense related to the current year and only revenue nature. revenue means routine nature expense here, यानी कि बाय को किसमें बदल दिया, टू में, और यहाँ पे टू को किसमें बदल दिया, बाय में। सिंपल। only revenue nature item, not capital nature. Capital nature will be shown in the asset side. Next one. Now come to the asset side. Investment. It is given investment. First investment देखो यहाँ पे कितना है, 15,000 है ना, add 15,000, add addition means नया खरीद लिया, addition that is 10,000, right? तो कितना हो गया, that is 25,000 इन्वेस्टमेंट। ओल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना, 15,000, पेमेंट साइड से कितना उठा रहे हैं हम, 10,000, तो it is that is 25,000, it become 25,000. Now come to the next one, that is furniture. ओल्ड फर्नीचर देखो पहले कितना है, furniture account, that is old furniture here, this is the 8,000 here, 8,000, add पेमेंट साइड में देखेंगे, एडिशन दैट इज 6,000, यानी कि परचेज कर लिया हमने 14,000, लेस डेप्रिसिएशन। अब 10% depreciation, you have to charge the depreciation here 10%. And what is the 10%? We can calculate in the working note. The 10%, 8,000 10%, 800, 6,000 10%, and 9 months because we purchase the new furniture in 1st July. So 9 month depreciation here, that is 450, and it becomes 1250. So it is a depreciation, we deduct from here depreciation, that is 1250. Now it becomes 12,750, right? So now come to the tournament fund. Tournament fund, it is given in the receipt side, and it is capital nature item and fund based item, and tournament expense also given there. Tournament fund, that is 12,000 less tournament expense. Tournament expense is given here, that is 7,500, that is 4,500. For example, if tournament expense is more than tournament fund, अगर एक्सपेंस ज्यादा होते तो क्या करते हैं, जितने ज्यादा होते हैं यहाँ पे डैश लगा के यहाँ पुट कर देते हैं एक्सपेंस को. यहाँ कभी भी नेगेटिव बैलेंस नहीं आएगा फंड बेस का. फंड बेस होते हैं जो फंड से रिलेटेड एक्सपेंस है वो डायरेक्ट हम लायबिलिटी साइड में दिखाते हैं क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट की, और पॉजिटिव बैलेंस हो तो दिखाते हैं, नेगेटिव है तो नहीं दिखाते. नेगेटिव हो तो फिर यहाँ दिखाते हैं एक्सपेंस ऑन ओवर फंड. नेक्स्ट वन इज डोनेशन फॉर बिल्डिंग, दैट इज डोनेशन फॉर बिल्डिंग. डोनेशन for building, it is revenue nature or buildings. It is revenue nature or capital nature? It is capital nature, and it will be shown in the balance sheet, that is 20,000. Now come to the here debt की डबल एंट्री करेंगे 1250 की, to debt on furniture account, that is 1250. Right? Double adjustment. Now we calculate the first surplus or deficit. Now make the total here. That is 61,300. That is 61,300. And here we find out the surplus to income over expenditure, or you can say surplus. That is a net profit. And it is, I have calculated earlier, 2950. So this is the answer, and this answer will be come from this side to this side, and it will be added here. Add surplus, that is 2950, right? 05833. Now make the total of the balance sheet, that is 59850. So we can calculate the question with the help of receipt and payment account. I think you like it, and you can prepare with the help of receipt and payment account. First we prepare the opening balance sheet, and side by side we prepare the income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. Okay, I think you like it. You can do practice. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe. Stay home.